This is Srinivas, Senior English Master. I am explaining today question paper. Entire question paper I am going to explain you. Please listen carefully. I want your all ears. All ear means you want to listen carefully. That is idiom. Come to the point. I already explained 1 to 4 question. Now I am explaining question number 5 to 8. In the question number 5 to 8 passage, what kind of passage you will get? In the question number 5 to 8, B parts of the lessons you will get from lesson 1B or lesson 2B or lesson 3B. B sections only you will get. You will get B parts of the first and third lesson. Yes, come to the point. So totally how many marks will be there? 8 marks. 8 marks you will get. And what kind of questions you will get in that passage 1 and passage 2? According to government norms, one question will be given on the passage. What kind of passage is given? And you can note down first question and second question will be on factuality. Factual question. 2 questions are factual question in first passage. In second passage also 2 factual question will be given. And third one analytical question. Analytical question in first passage and second passage. The fourth one open-ended question. That means your opinion. You should give your opinion on that question. So these kind of question you will get from 2 passages. First passage will have 1 to 4 questions, factual questions will come, analytical question will come, and open-ended question will come. Open-ended means opinion-based. Opinion-based questions will be asked. That entire questions will be on government norms, not as they wish. They won't give as they wish. They must give the questions according to government blue paper. It's called government blue paper. According to government blue paper only, the question paper setter will set the question paper. That's why you should take care on your studies. Third question. Third question will start with what number? 9. 9 to 12. What is this question design? What for this question will be designed? Chart. Charts. It's very useful. It's very useful and you will get good marks in this. Total 9 to 12 easily you can get good marks in this section. What kind of charts will be given? Chart 1. What is the chart 1? Pie chart. Second one bar graph. Yes. Third one tree chart. Fourth one is flow chart. Processing, flow chart. Yes, pie chart, bar graph, flow chart, tree charts. 4 kind of charts only you will get. Most probably pie chart or bar graph you will get. Why? Because the paper must be easy to the student. So that's why most probably they will give pie chart and bar graph. That's very easiest question. Easily you can get the answer. On this, what kind of questions will be given, you know? You may note down what kind of passage, what kind of chart they are given. On the basis, what kind of chart is given. On the basis, they will ask one question. And second, third and fourth, highest and lowest. Highest and lowest. Good or bad. Good or bad. Or highest score or lowest score. One will be on your opinion or any sum. So, if you get pie chart, you can understand easily and you can write the answer easily to mark. To get the more marks, it is very useful to 10th class students. And next one is bar graph, and this is also will be easy. You can get all details. One who knows the English, they can get easily and they can write the answer super. And for the tree chart, it's also very easy. Just you have to take the details. You have to take the data. Data only could be understood. It could be understood as you only data. Data only must be understood. So here flow chart. Flow chart means process. Any kind of recipe you have to give. Any process. Any kind of process. There may be recipe or maybe reservation counter process or railway station reservation counter process and bank withdrawing process and bank check depositing process. Any kind of process will be given in flow chart. Okay. In that also major point according to given chart, major point they will ask. Maybe how to deposit, where how to give the details and how to draw back how to draw amount from the bank, they will ask according to the chart. So data understanding is very important here. Without data understanding, you can't make the chart. You can't make the chart answer perfect. So you have to understand the data entry. All data you must understand. According to data, question paper will be given and answers you should write properly. And for this 1 to 12, everything will be according to grammar. So in passage writing, what they will see? They will see first of all grammatical mistakes for the 1 mark. For the 1 mark, grammatical mistakes will be given. So if you write well grammar, easily you can get 1 mark. And 1 mark for the punctuations. If you make good punctuations, then you will get 1 mark. And for the related answer, related matter, if you write, then you will get 1 more mark. So totally 3 marks will be given, 1 to 8 passage questions. In this time, I will correct the papers according to government norms. If you did grammar mistakes, 1 mark will be lost. If you did punctuation mistakes, 1 mark will be lost. And if you can't write related answer, then you can lose 1 mark. Yeah, you can note down 1 mark for the grammar mistake. So 1 mark for the grammar, 1 mark for the punctuation, 1 mark for the related answer, 1 mark for the grammar, 1 mark for the punctuation, 1 mark for the related matter. Related material should be mentioned.